Bitcoin smashed through $38,000 to hit a new record high on Thursday, helping to lift the total value of the entire cryptocurrency market above $1 trillion for the first time. The digital coin hit an all-time high of $38,000 at around 7 a.m. ET, just a few hours after blowing past the $37,000 level according to data from Coinmetrics. Bitcoin was 7% higher from a day earlier. The cryptocurrency is up about 30% since the start of 2021 and in the past 12 months has surged nearly 370%. Meanwhile, the value of the entire cryptocurrency market, which is made up of Bitcoin and other digital coins like Ether and Tether, surpassed $1 trillion for the first time earlier on Thursday, according to data from CoinMarketCap. Bitcoin is by far the most dominant cryptocurrency with a market value of over $700 billion. Bitcoin's resurgence has been attributed to a number of factors, including more buying from large institutional investors. High-profile investors like Paul Tudor Jones, for example, have been buying the digital currency. Many Bitcoin bulls say the cryptocurrency is akin to digital gold, a potential safe haven asset and a hedge against inflation. In a recent research note, JP Morgan said Bitcoin could hit $146,000 in the long term as it competes with gold as an alternative currency. The investment bank strategists noted that Bitcoin would have to become substantially less volatile to reach this price. However, Bitcoin is known for wild price swings. The idea of Bitcoin as a hedge against inflation has continued to gain steam as governments around the world embark on large-scale fiscal stimulus programs. Analysts argue this could cause a spike in inflation. Bitcoin's rise has also seen help by moves in the space from big financial firms like PayPal and Fidelity. PayPal last year launched a feature that lets its users invest in cryptocurrencies and is planning to offer crypto payments across its massive network of retailers later this year.